Ang ganda ng music. Okay? Kwentuhan muna tayo. Because now I am very hungry, so I want to eat. Yes, where I am. Alam ba ninyo nakakaloka? Ang aga-aga ko, I come very early here in the town, and then I went to the office just only for 30 minutes because I went to the Binig water district to pay my bills, and you know, I forget my phone. Then I go back again to take my phone. So now I come here to eat because I'm very hungry. I ran, and it's still far. Now let's eat. I will show you later what I have to eat. Hey guys.